guys, welcome back to Vlogtober day
24.
24. If you've missed days 1 through 23, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist, and I will link it above and below, and you can catch up on all of the unboxing fun. Today, Juliet and I have 2 gifts, one of each. You think they're the same?
They might be.
Should we, you know what, well, it's okay. We're gonna go one at a time today. We're gonna space it out. Go for it. I really like these. She's used these bags a lot. What is that?
It's a marshmallow scented lip balm.
I hope I got one of those. Ooh, what is that?
Lime scented lip gloss.
I love lippy stuff. You want to take out, you should definitely take out that, the Oogie. You do that while I open mine. All right, so hopefully I got the same. I did not. I didn't get the same. That's okay. Julia likes to share. Ooh, I got pins! Oh my gosh, and I got a brown box, and Juliet loves brown boxes.
Round boxes.
So let me show you guys this Jack one. This is so cool. Is that hard to open? You want me to do it?
I got it.
Okay. Ooh, this one like moves and changes. Okay, so this is probably from Box Lunch. It's a lounge fly. This is, can they see? Yeah, you guys can see. Okay, it's Jack. And then this part moves. Oh my gosh, how fun, look. Okay, hold on. So he's like this. And then look at this.
Whoa.
So you can have him either way. Okay, so I'll show you guys, sorry. So here's like kind of like Scary Jack. And then if you flip his clothes and then also turn him, it's a Happy Jack. That's so fun. I love that. Oh my gosh, how cute.
So this is the Oogie one. Super duper cute. Let's see if...
Oh, it's like it's not even just like a balm. It's like got a applicator.
Yeah.
What does it smell like? Can I smell
Oh, it does smell like lime.
Ooh, very refreshing. That's super cute. Juliet likes having stuff like that in her bag. And then there's this Jack holding a skull pin. And I think this is probably from Box Lunch. If it's from Hot Topic, she'll let us know. Hopefully you guys can see that. I love it. Those are cool. Okay.
And then this is the marshmallow scented lip balm.
Oh, I got a Christmas ornament and it's Pennywise. Oh my gosh, let's take him out. Maybe I'll leave him on our Halloween tree until Christmas time. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I wonder where she got this. This has to be a Hot Topic, I feel like. Does it say? Oh, Hallmark. Okay, Hallmark. Awesome. I didn't know they did horror. So, this is Pennywise. He has this balloon. This is new Pennywise, not Tim Curry Pennywise, which Tim Curry Pennywise is the best Pennywise, but I do still like the new movie. It's fun. It's not nearly as good. I guess it's not considered new anymore. Okay, awesome. What was your favorite of your lip glosses?
My Oogie Boogie one.
The Oogie Boogie one, that's really cute. I love all mine. The pins and Pennywise. Also, since we are sharing stuff that I've gotten this year from companies, this is another piece that Jemmy sent me. If you guys watched the other videos, I shared some Frankenweenie stuff. So this is NBC, and it's also a table topper. So you just set it on your table or shelf or whatever. And then it does, I'm going to play this one really briefly because I'm sure this is Halloween and I don't want YouTube, you know, copywriting me. So, okay, you get the idea. So it lights up and then little bats go around. It's super cute. I love it. I love anything with like the snake and like the different characters, not just Jack and Sally, but love it. Okay, so that is it for day 24. It's day 24?
Hopefully.
I think it's day 24. I'm pretty sure. We'll see you guys tomorrow for day 25. Bye.